Mama's knees rise where the shadows crawl. Moss hangs low like a ghostly shawl. The moon's a lantern, soft and pale.
Most laptop hubs try to do everything, then leave you with cable spaghetti. This one keeps the desk tidy and the bag lighter. It lifts your laptop, adds the ports you actually use, and takes about 10 seconds to set up. This is the Mukiya USB-C laptop docking station, and this one right here is the Model Hub M57. Think of this hub as a foldable aluminium stand with an 8-in-1 hub in the spine. In this bad boy, we've got one HDMI for a single external screen up to 4K at 30Hz, two USB-A 5GB, one USB-C, full-size SD and micro SD, plus a USB-C power delivery input that takes up to 100 watts. It unfortunately skips Ethernet, but nowadays that's not really needed, is it? But it is a one display setup, which is fair for its size. Day to day, it covers the basics without any faff, but is it really worth the money? So is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. So unboxing this device, and as you can imagine, you don't really get much in the box. You get the stand hub, a soft pouch, and your basic paperwork. Now the first unfold feels very reassuring. This thing is built to last. The aluminium has a clean finish and the hinges open with a confident click. Folded down, it is slim enough to sit next to your laptop in a sleeve without rubbing. It feels like something you can actually carry, not a nice idea that never leaves the drawer. This thing is built to go with you practically anywhere. Because of its size, you can throw it into a bag or simply put it in a suitcase so that you've always got something on the go. The frame makes a wide, stable triangle with silicone pads so it does not wander while you type. This thing is planted when it's unfolded, and when you stick a laptop on top, the weight just adds to that stability even more. Cables are able to route to the back, which keeps everything clean and tidy. If you need to change the angle or change the position at all, even with a heavy machine like a 16-inch laptop, it is easy to do so. It looks like a travel stand, but it does not flex or creak when you put pressure on this thing. It is a solid piece of kit. So in terms of design and build quality, for what you're paying, you are getting something pretty impressive. Now in terms of setup, well, there really isn't any, as it's plug and play. Most laptops just require a single USB-C, which would then expand to the entire stand. It is worth noting though, for video out, the laptop's USB-C needs DisplayPort Alt mode. Thankfully, most have this now, and if you're like me and use a MacBook, you won't have an issue at all. For power and charging, you will need to use a USB-C charger in the hub's PD port. Then connect the short lead to the laptop. That's it. There's no drivers, there's no utilities. You get instant access to all the ports and power delivery with hardly any cables. And I think that's the main selling point here. You could go out and get a USB-C hub, but why would you if you could have everything integrated into a stand like this? Not only does it keep it nice and clean, but you can drop your laptop on, and with one single cable, you can expand your laptop's capabilities even further. Now, when it comes to ports and the bandwidth, well, it really depends on which one you're using, obviously. There are two USB-A's plus one USB-C data with up to 5GB. There's a spot for keyboards, mice, card readers, and a SATA SSD drive. All of it shares one upstream link, so big copies at the same time will complete. Even if you're queuing heavy transfers, it feels snappy. So even for the asking price, you are getting some serious speeds from these ports. Now, video output was quite reassuring too. The HDMI drives one external display up to 3840 by 2160 at 30Hz. This is certainly great for work, browsing, streaming, and watching movies. However, if you care about smoother motion, you can downgrade that to 1080p at 60 frames per second. Obviously, it depends on what you want, but for most, 4K at 30Hz is the sweet spot. From my experience, I haven't had any latency issues and the output image is really good quality and true to that 4K claim. Even with multiple devices plugged in and a high demand on the stand, I didn't notice any cutoffs or lags from my monitor, so that was really reassuring. Even for the relatively cheap asking price of this stand, I did really think this might be an issue. However, I did load this thing with lots of transfers and there was no issues. Now, power delivery is pretty self-explanatory. You feed the PD input with a decent 65 to 100 watt charger and you're sorted. Most 13 to 15 inch laptops will charge happily while you run a screen and a couple of peripherals. The hub itself does draw a bit of an overhead, which is normal, but it in no way affects how fast your laptop charges. Fast charging is still possible. It is worth noting there is no fan in the stand, but the idea here is that the aluminium spreads heat during longer sessions and heavier loads, especially while putting demand on those USB transfer ports, power delivery, and your monitor. Now, in everyday use, I really do believe this stand could become an essential part of your kit. I now just carry my laptop and this in a simple laptop bag, and I can go to a coffee shop and it turns one USB-C on my laptop into a one cable desk. I no longer have to carry tons of cables and additional adapters. Not only that though, but it also frees up ports on my MacBook for other things too. All in all, this is one bit of kit that lifts the laptop and adds the ports you actually use, all with a one cable routine that keeps the workspace tidy. Not only that though, but the build quality feels solid for daily carry, and I've never really been concerned about putting my expensive laptop on it. Nor have I really been concerned about the stand's ability to withstand wear and tear. You do have a small carry bag that comes with it, but the aluminium body can easily withstand some serious day-to-day bashing. For students, remote workers, and travelers who want a neat one-screen setup with a few peripherals, the M57 hub might just be the 8-in-1 solution you've been looking for. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.